Hi friends, I'm Chef Amit and today we are doing Gulab Jamuns. We'll start off with heating ghee, that is dalda. So until the ghee is melting in the saucepan, we will mix all the ingredients. Mawa 250 grams. Paneer grated 250 grams. Maida 6 tablespoons. Rava, that's Semolina, 3 tablespoons. Baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon. We mix all the ingredients together and make it into a nice and a soft dough. Knead it nicely until all the ingredients have combined together and the dough is soft and smooth to touch. Our dough is ready and now we'll start making round balls. Approximately 24 to 30 balls we can make. See to it that the balls don't have any cracks, else they will open up while frying. Also see to that most of them are of the equal size so that people don't fight over getting a smaller or a larger piece. We're just checking whether the ghee is hot enough for our gulab jamuns to go in. And yes, it is ready. So we can start frying the gulab jamuns. The gulab jamuns are already ready. So now our gulab jamuns are ready and now we are going to dip it in a chashni which has been pre-prepped by me already. You can also pre-prep your chashni with 1 cup of sugar and 2 cups of water. Just add your gulab jamuns and leave it for half an hour. Within 20 to 25 minutes, your gulab jamuns will be ready to be eaten. Hi, I'm back. So our gulab jamuns are done. They are well soaked and ready to be served. You can see the nice golden brown color that they have. Enjoy your gulab jamuns. Please do like, share and enjoy more of my upcoming videos.